Transformation. Come to Windows menu. We're learning about another transformation, we learn about positioning, you know, like something like this. So let's start first. Into Windows, come to broadcast, locus, check for transformation, transform, alt, F7. So come by right hand side here. So the first thing we do now is to click on the object, want to position. You want to position it to the right hand side, you click on the position you want to leave it where. So how many copies do you want? Let me just locate this one. Copy. Apply. And it's the space in the you have to let us assume this y axis is the space in between its horizontal. So you click on this relative position to maintain the same position. Let me increase this to like 2. This y axis. Like so this this is supposed to be 0. This axis, x axis is the horizontal. I think it's the horizontal axis. So increase it to 2. So release it. You can release it if it's too far. Let's make it like 1 inches. So release it to 0.5 or 0.02, 0.02, 0.09, 0.0. Let's assume this is okay. 0.3. Nice. Press Ctrl R. Repeat it. Switch. Press P to get it center point. This how it works. Oh, for rotation, to rotate something like this. The same method, you click on it. Click on same rotate. Yeah. Right can it come to center. Negative center. Angle. Let's make it 170. Apply. 1. Apply. Listen. 14% Control R. I think it's okay. Click. Highlight up to G. So this how we rotate. Like most to scale or a mirror, something like this. You click on the after drawing this area. Here it is scale and you click on one and then apply. For example, let's say you want to mirror it horizontally. Apply. Well, to see this, yes, increase the place. When you see so to size, you come to this place, size, scale position. Scale position. So I want to, let's say you want copy. Let's leave it like this. So set the height to 22. Like this is 4. Let's all right. No, is it one copy? Right. I want to change this one to 8. Same thing. Once you first apply, price it. This one is done. Automatically, and try to adjust it. To skew, which is something like this. Look on this right. Then you click on skew. It will blend it. This one copy. Let me apply. Let me apply. Yes, it can also increase some way. Depending on what you want to do. Increase how it works. This is the original one, this is the one skewed earlier. So that's all for transformation. Let's do the next one.